Hi you guys, Christa Clark with artisticvegan.com and welcome back to another Artistic Vegan show. Today we are going to be going to the market and then grilling outside with my parents. I know it's summertime and the temperatures are rising, so it's a nice time to cook your food outside, and my dad's going to give us the tips on how to get the fire started if you happen to have an old-fashioned grill like me, and how to make your vegetables taste really super delicious and cook them outside. So let's go. Bi Nisa Cafe is a family-owned and operated business in Puerto Escondido. They not only have 100% organic coffee from the Sierra Madre Mountains in Oaxaca, but they also custom grind their beans for different equipment such as Italian presses and espresso machines. And they also make nut butters, jams, salsas, and pastries, and everything is absolutely delicious. It is my favorite coffee. I really love this place, and their little coffee shop is just a gem, and they also have other locations and sell their coffee around town. I wanted to go in the morning to get coffee and a little treat before we went into town to get our goods.
Hi there.
Hola.
That's okay.
Nice camera.
Gracias. Me encanta tu lugar.
Gracias, amigos.
We're getting the fire ready for today's barbecue, so it's all about fire control. Just want to get a nice bed of coals so when it's ready, the food is going to be delicious. So we've created our fire. We started out with some little sticks across the bottom and built a little cardboard and smaller sticks and made a teepee so that when we lit it, the air would go and it would catch on fire quickly. And we're just creating a nice bed of coals that will cover the whole bottom. It'll give us a nice even heat to cook over.
Hola! Hello everyone. We're and part of our barbecue today. We're going to do a beet, and so we have just washed it, put a little bit of olive oil on it, and then it's going to be directly in the coals. So we are going to use the aluminum foil to protect it.
So now we're just going to have some minced garlic because it's nice to have around for making different sauces, herbs, flavoring things. So just mincing up a whole bunch of garlic. I'm just cutting up some fresh cilantro and parsley, and you just finely mince this, add it with a little bit of minced garlic, and then cover it with olive oil, and then you'll have a nice fresh sauce that we can pour onto our food for grilling. This works out really wonderfully. You can also use it at the end on top of your food. Now we're going to take the cabbage and cut it into big, thick pieces so we can make the cabbage steak, if you will, and we're going to barbecue them on the grill. For the cabbage, you can add a little bit of olive oil or coconut oil or the chimichurri sauce and a little bit of salt and pepper, and that's it. You can make it taste how you'd like. Some cucumbers and tomato and a little bit of onion, some lime, salt and pepper, and then you can doctor it further if you'd like, adding more stuff, but that's kind of the base.
So we've got a nice bed of coals now, and we have a beet, a massive beet, double wrapped in heavy duty foil. We're just going to throw those in the coal, and it's going to be amazing. And we're going to put our cooking wood on now. We're going to let that get going, and we'll be cooking in about 15 minutes. is the ultimate in grills because you can raise and lower the cooking surface above the heat, so it is so nice. We'll lower it down a little bit just to get that hot. And we'll let it work its magic.
Poco, ¿no?
See, and then you put
All right, so I've got the cabbage, the salad, the sangria, the elotes, and I am ready to dig in. This has turned out to be a fantastic day with really good food, lots of laughter, good time. I can't believe how fast the time went. This was a really wonderful day to barbecue. Give it a bite. So simple, yet so absolutely delicious. You've got to try roasting your cabbage and your corn and other vegetables this summer. I hope you've loved this video. Please go over to artisticvegan.com to get the instructions, and I'll see you guys next time. Sending my love. Adios. Happened to pick up this box, and I know that it has my products colloidal silver in it. You can get these products over at artisticvegan.com. Let's take a look. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the future. Bye!